Looking to upgrade your Ford speakers without the hassle of cutting wires or soldering? This speaker adapter for select Ford vehicles offers a quick plug-and-play solution that connects aftermarket speakers directly to your factory speaker harness. 2 adapters come in each bag, making it easy to replace both front or rear speakers with minimal effort. What sets this adapter apart is its straightforward installation. You simply unplug your stock speaker, then plug the adapter into the factory harness, no modifications needed. While some reviews mention wiring issues, the fix is surprisingly simple. Instead of altering the adapter, you adjust the pins on your vehicle's body harness. This approach preserves connector quality and keeps the process clean. Here's how it works. After disconnecting your original speaker, you'll find a red locking mechanism on the body harness. Using a small flat blade screwdriver, you gently pry up this lock to release the pins. With patience, you can remove and reposition the pins to match the adapter's wiring configuration. This step requires no cutting or soldering, just a little finesse and the right tool. Once the pins are correctly placed, you slide them back into the connector, secure the red locking tab, and you're ready to connect the adapter. This method ensures a solid, factory-like connection that maintains your vehicle's wiring integrity. It's a smart workaround that avoids the common pitfalls of cheap adapters that require permanent wire splicing. One minor drawback is that on rare occasions, the adapter may not fit perfectly in every door. Some users have reported difficulty seating the pins, which led to slight modifications like using heat shrink tubing to secure connections. Still, considering the adapter's low price of around $8, this is a reasonable trade-off for an easy, no-cut install. If you want a hassle-free way to upgrade your Ford's audio system without risking damage to your factory wiring, this speaker adapter is worth a look. It saves time, preserves your vehicle's original harness, and lets you enjoy better sound with confidence. Plus, the included instructions and the simple pin adjustment process make it accessible even if you're not an expert. Ready to upgrade your Ford's sound system the smart way? Try this speaker adapter when you're ready. It's a practical, cost-effective choice that delivers what you need: clean installation, solid connection, and the freedom to enjoy aftermarket speakers without the usual headaches.